I'm going to show you how to create resource and reservation database and create the reservation site profile and resource document. So first step, I will create a resource reservation database and then uh, create site profile document, then create a resource document. Okay, first go to file menu and you have administrator ID to perform this activity. Application, file new. Here is go to application, file application, then click on new. Select the server name, put the reservation database. Suppose I'll put reservation. Then select the template name. Here is not coming template. Okay, check the advanced, show advanced template. Then type R, reservation. Here is coming resource reservation 10 and click on OK. Now the reservation database created. So select, go to the ACL. So resource admin and relations should be checked for administrator. Okay, so then they will be able to create a resource and delete the resource of this database. Okay, select OK, close this one, reopen. Second, we want to create site document. Click here, site type, click on new site, put the site name, like my site name is New Delhi and domain name is 3pm. Domain name is same like you have using your organization. Okay, and reservation auto reminder, if you want to enable, so you check on this. If you want to reminder will be disabled, so you can disable it. Okay, and mail server is there and reservation.nsf it will create it. So save and close. Okay, so I missed .com, so my domain name is 3pm.com. Domain is not set in your location document, you might be set in before creating. So need to check my location document, edit location document, go to server tab, mail1 and domain is missing. 3 p.m. Set OK. OK. Like put it to the domain name 3 p.m. Save and close. Here is document is created. So I need to create resource document. Okay. So need to create resource. Here is resource. Click on the resource. Click on new resource. Here is the three options is there: rooms, other options, and online meeting place. So I want to rooms, like rooms name, Central Market. Okay, it, and description is second marketplace. What is the capacity? Capacity 20. You can put 30, yeah, 40. So I will put 20. Site name is New Delhi. Okay, and my internet address would be central.market at the rate, because I'm at the rate 3pm.com. This is my internet address. And have there is option need to select. Here is none for everyone can book this rooms, and here is option to a specific person can book this meeting resource. So I will put administrator and uh, user 1, user 2. Okay, then click OK and save and close. Okay, your meeting ID will be, your resource will be created. And then check, open the admin client, go to the console, select the server name, and put the command here. First command is tell admin p process new, copy and paste here, and live the console, validate. Okay, and same command, go to copy, copy and paste and code command. Your resource reservation will be active. Open the person and group, click here, mails and database. Here is room and resource. So I have created a room, so click on rooms. Here is document is created, Central Market documents is created. So so this internet address need to be verify on resource database. So central.market at the rate 3pm.com should be there. Open the rooms and reservation database, and go to site document, open. Here is site document, resource, click on resource, click on the Central Market, and here is internet address. Mail should be delivered on this mail in database. Okay, is mails, internet mail address should be there. Okay, after that I need to verify on my client mailbox. Open my mailbox, Mailbox is opening. Click here. Click here to meetings. Type the subject name like demo. Okay, so person like user 1, user 2, enter, and here is find the room. Click here, find the rooms. Here is my site, New Delhi, and go to click on search. Here is come internet, central market. Click here comes, and find the availability time. Click here and find the availability time like 4 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. as per your schedule time. Then save and send the invitation. Now my reservation has booked successfully. Need to check my I will receive the confirmation mail. Yeah, I got the confirmation mail accepted. Open. Here is accepted my rooms and check my calendar entry. Here is entry is done. Okay, and same need to check verify on the room and resource database. Open my resource database. Here is two booking accepted here, and time is mentioned. So this is a demo for room and resource database. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.